Good morning to all. I am Pawan Kumar, Mathematics, Grade 2, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 3, Subtraction. Chapter 3, Subtraction. My practice time 3. Our section is my practice time 3. First one, subtract the following. Subtract the following. First one, subtract the following. First question. $85 minus 32. 85 minus 32. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. First we subtract the ones place. First we subtract the ones place. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Step 1, let's solve ones place. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 1, 2. Balance 3. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Number 3, write in ones place. Number 3, write in ones place. Next one, we go to the tens place. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Step 2. 8 tens and 3 tens. 8 minus 3. Listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 3. We draw the 8 stick. Then minus 3. Minus 3 means 1, 2, 3. Cancel 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. Balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 5 write in tens place. Number 5 write in tens place. So our answer is 3 ones and 5 tens. That means 53. Our answer is 53. Next one. B part. Minus 34. 96 minus 34. Ones, tens. We subtract the number 34 from 96. We subtract the number 34 from 96. Ones place 6 and 4 and tens place 9 and 3. First we solve the ones place. Step 1. Here 6 1 and 4 1 having 4 subtract from 6. The number 4 subtract from 6. So 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. We draw the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We draw the 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 4. Minus 4. We cancel the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. We cancel the 4 lines. balance 2 lines having, so 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. The number 2 write in ones place. The next one, tens place, 9 tens and 3 tens having, we subtract 3 from 9. We subtract 3 from 9. Step 2. First one, 9 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We draw the 9 sticks minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 tens write in tens place. Here 2 ones and 6 tens having 62. Our answer is 62. Next one, C part. Minus 43. 67 minus 43. You want to minus 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. Step 1. We solve the ones place. Here ones place is 7 minus 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines having minus 3. We cancel 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Balance 1, 2, 3, 4. Remain 4 lines having. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. The next one, step 2. Six minus 4. 6 minus 4. 6 tens minus 4 tens is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. We cancel 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 2. Remaining lines 2. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 2 write in tens place. So our answer is 24. Our answer is 24. 43 subtract from 67 is equal to 24. Next one, D part. minus 21. Ones, tens, let's solve the ones place. 8 minus 1. Step 1. Ones place 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining 7 lines 7. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. The number 7 write in ones place. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Next one, 9 minus 2. We go to the tens place. Our tens place is 9 minus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 2. 2 lines cancel. 1, 2. Balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines 7 to 7. 7 right in tens place. Our answer is 77. The number 21 subtract from 98 is equal to 77. Next one, this also Maitland step 3, Roman number 2, subtract, Roman number 2, just subtract, given number is 57 minus 23, 57 minus 23, this is horizontal wise, we convert to the vertical wise. Solution. First we arrange the numbers vertically. Given numbers, first one is 57. Operator minus, or operator is minus. The second number is 23. 57 minus 23. Ones, tens, 7 minus 3. Step 1, 7 minus 3. Ones place 7 minus 3 is equal to, we draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We cancel 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 4. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. The next one, step 2, tens place. Our tens place is 5 tens minus 2 tens. 5 tens minus 2 tens. 5 minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2. 1, 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. The number 3 write in tens place. Here 4 ones and 3 tens having 4 ones and 3 tens, that means 34. That means 34. The next one, B part. $68 minus 25. $68 minus 25. First we arrange the numbers vertically. First one 68, our operator is minus. Then second number is 25. 68 minus 25. Next we write the place value. Ones and tens. Ones, tens. Let's solve the ones place. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. Step 1. 8 minus 5. is equal to, we draw the 8 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We draw the 8 lines minus 5 lines. We cancel 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 3 lines having, remaining 3 lines having, so 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. The number 3 write in ones place. Number 3 write in ones place. Next we go to the tens place. Here tens place 6 minus 2. Step 2, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. We will draw the 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2 sticks cancel. 1, 2. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 4 having. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Number 4 write in tens place. So our answer is 4 tens and 3 ones. That means 43. 43. Next steeper. (99 minus 66). 99 minus 66. First we arrange the numbers vertically. 99 minus 66. 99 minus 66. Place value ones, tens. First we solve the ones place. Step 1. Our ones place is 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. We will draw the 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining 1, 2, 3. 3, 6, 7. So our answer is 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. The number 3 write in ones place. Next we go to the tens place. Step 2. Our tens place is 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. This also 9 minus 6 is equal to, already we know that 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So our answer is 33. 3 tens and 3 ones. That means 33. Next chapter, order of subtraction. Order of subtraction. Order of subtraction. We have two order havings. First one is zero property. Then second one is itself property. First one is zero property. My bad is time 4. Subtract the following. Also check your answer. Subtract the following. Also check your answer. First we subtract the sums. Then we check our answers. First one, A part 65 minus 28. 65 minus 28. We take the place value ones, tens. Place value ones, tens. First we subtract the sum 65 minus 28. Let's start the ones place. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. Number 5 minus 8 is not possible because 5 less than 8. Because 5, the number 5 less than 8. Listen here. The number 8 subtract from minus 5 is not possible. Number 8 subtract from minus 5 is not possible. So borrow 1. So borrow tens place 1. So here 1 10 and then 5 ones. 1 10, 5 ones. That means 15. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones plus 5 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 15 ones. Is equal to 15 ones. Listen here. Borrow 1 from tens place. So borrow 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Then 5 ones. Already 5 ones having. So 10 ones plus 5 ones. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 ones. So 5 becomes 15. 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 8. Now we solve 15 minus 8. Here 6 is 5. 6 becomes 5 because 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 means 5 tens. 5 means 5 tens. So 15 minus 8. Now 15 minus 8. Step 1. 15 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We cancel the 8 lines. Balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 7 right in ones place. Next we go to the tens place. Here tens place 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 1, 2. Balance 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So our answer is 37. Our answer is 37. 65 minus 28 is equal to 37. Subtraction finished. The next one. Also check your answer. We check our answer. We take the answer part from the sum 37. Our answer part is 37. That means 1 tens, ones and tens. Next, second part. Next we take the second part. First answer part, the next second part. 28. 28. Now we check our answer. 37 plus 28 is equal to, we want to 65. 37 plus 28 is equal to, we want to 65. So plus 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. Now we add 7 and 8. Step 1. Now we add 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Already we know that ones and tens. Here 1 tenth is carrying, here 5 ones carrying. 5 ones write in ones place. Then 1 tenth carry over to the tens place. Then 1 tenth carry over to the tens place. Next is step 2. We go to the tens place, carry over the number 1 plus 3 again plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Next 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So number 6 write in tens place. So our answer is 65. Listen here. Our answer is 65. Here the first number is 65. So 28 plus 37 is equal to 65. 65 minus 28 is equal to 37. Here both are the first term and the answer is same, hence verified. Hence verified. Next, second one. B part. minus 29. 37 minus 29. This also subtract and check your answer. First you will subtract 37 minus 29. Take the place value ones and tens. We will start ones place. 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 is not possible. So, borrow 3 minus 1. Borrow 1. Here 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 3 becomes 2. 3 becomes 2. Borrow 1. So, 110 go to the ones place. 110 go to the ones place. Already 7 ones having. So 7 becomes 17. 7 becomes 17. Listen here. 3 becomes 2 because 110 is borrowed to ones place. The next one, ones place 7 becomes 17. 7 becomes 17 because 110 plus 7 ones. 110 is equal to 10 ones plus 7 ones. 10 ones plus 7 ones is equal to 17 ones. 17 ones is equal to 17. 17 ones is equal to 17. Here 7 becomes 17. Here 3 becomes 2. Step 1. 17 minus 9 is possible now. 17 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 minus 9. We strike out the 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We strike out the 9 lines. Balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. The number 8 write in ones place. The next one we go to the tens place. Tens place 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And itself 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 is nothing. So our answer is 8. Next, check our answer. Answer plus second term. Answer plus second term. Our answer is 0, 8 plus second term is 29. We need, our answer is 37. We need 37. So we add answer plus second term. Ones, tens, 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Step 1. We add ones place. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. The number 7 write in ones place because here 1 7 is carrying and 1 10 is carrying. The number 7 write in ones place. The next, the number 1 carry over to the tens place. 110 carry over to the tens place. Step 2. We go to the tens place. Here tens place is carry over the number 1 plus nothing, that means 0 plus 2. 1 plus 0 plus 2. Carry over number 1 plus 0 plus 2. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 0. This is additive property. 1 plus 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So our answer is 37. Our answer is 37. We compare minus terms and plus terms. Here the first term is 37. Here the last term is 37. Hence verified. Next is second one. This also subtract and check our answer. 75 minus 28. 75 minus 28. Subtract and then check our answer. 75 minus 28. The first term is 75 and then second term is minus 28. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. 5 minus 8 is not possible. So borrow 1 to ones place. Borrow 1. Here 5 ones having, so 5 becomes 15. Borrow 1. Here 5 ones having, so 1 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 15. 1 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 15. Here 7, borrow 1 means 6. 6 come means 7 becomes 6. 7 becomes 6. Because 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. First we solve the ones place. Step 1. First we solve the ones place. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. We draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We draw the 15 lines minus 8 lines. So we cancel 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We cancel 8 lines, remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. The number 7 write in ones place. So 15 minus 7, 8 is equal to 7. The next one, 6 minus 2. Step 2. 6 tenths minus 2 tenths. 6 tenths minus 2 tenths is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cancel 2 lines, 1, 2. Balance 1, 2, 3, 4. Balance 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So our answer is 47. Our answer is 47. Next part, we check our answer. The answer part 47 and then second part 28. We add two parts. Answer plus second part is equal to first part. Answer plus second part is equal to first part. So we need answer 75. We want answer 75. So we add 28 plus 47. 47 plus 28. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. 47 plus 28. We add two tens. 47 the first term and the second term is 28. Step 1. First we add ones place. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is equal to 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Take the place value ones and tens. Ones and tens. Ones place 5, tens place 1. Ones place is equal to 5. And then tens place is 1, carry on to tens place. So 1 plus 4 plus 2. Step 2. Carry on to number 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. The number 7 write in tens place. So our answer is 75. Your answer part is 75. Here the first part is 75. So both are equal, hence verified. Here also 75, there also 75. So our answer is hence verified. The next one, B part. B part. 46 minus 27. First we subtract and the next we check the answer. 46 minus 27. 46 minus 27. Ones and tens. First we solve the ones place. Your ones place is 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 is not possible. So borrow 1. Borrow 110. Go to the ones place. Already 6 ones having. So 110 plus 6 ones is equal to 16. 110 plus 6 ones is equal to 16. Here borrow 1 means 3. So 4 becomes 3, 6 becomes 16. 4 becomes 3, 6 becomes 16. Step 1. Let's solve the ones place. Our ones place is 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers cancel, balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. The number 9 write in ones place. Next we go to the tens place. Here tens place 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1 write in tens place. Our answer is 19. Our answer is 19. The next one, check our answer. Tens and ones. Answer term plus second term. We add answer term plus second term. Our answer term is 19 and then second term is 27. 27. We want to plus. We need plus. Our answer is 46. We need answer 46. We have two terms. First ones place. Step 1. Our ones place is 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is equal to 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 9 plus 7 is equal to 6. We have totals 90 plus 27 ones and tens. First we have the ones place. 9 ones plus 7 ones. 9 ones plus 7 ones is equal to 16 ones. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So 6 ones, 1 10 having. The ones place is 6 and the tens place 1 carry over to the tens place. The number 1 carry over to the tens place. So 1 plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. The number 4 write in tens place. So our answer is 46. Here the first term is 46. So both are equal, hence verified. The next one, C part. 93 minus 18. C part 93 minus 18. This also subtract and check your answer. First we solve the ones place. Here ones place is 3 and 8. 3 minus 8. Step 1. 3 minus 8 is equal to, not possible, is equal to not possible. So borrow 1. Borrow 1. Already 3 having. Borrow 1 plus 3. 1 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 13. So 13 minus 8. Here borrow 1 means 8. 9 becomes 8. 3 becomes 13. So 13 minus 8 is equal to 13 minus 8 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The second term is minus 8. We cancel 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 5 lines 7. So our answer is 5. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Next step, tens place 8 minus 1. Step 2. Eight minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 1. Only one line cancel. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So our answer is 75. 93 minus 18 is equal to 75. Let's check our answer. Answer plus second term. Answer plus second term. We add answer terms plus second term is equal to first term. Our answer term is 75. Then second term is plus 18. Plus 18. We need 75. We need 93. We need 93. 5 plus 8. Here ones place and tens place. Step 1. We add ones place. Add ones. 5 ones plus 8 ones is equal to 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Ones and tens. Here ones place is 3. And balance 1 carry on to the tens place. Balance 1 carry on to the tens place. Next we go to the tens place. Step 2. Our tens place value is 1 plus 7 plus 1. Carry out the number 1 plus given number 7 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 7 plus 1. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So both are equal, hence verified. Next one. We compare basket A, basket B, basket A, 12 apples, basket B, 14 apples. 12 apples, 14 apples. Which basket has more apples and how much? And by how much? We compare two terms. Remaining 2 only having here 12, here also 14. So balance 2. Our answer is 2. Our answer is 2. Listen here. Compare using subtraction. Compare using subtraction. For example, the basket A has 11 apples. The basket A has 11 apples. On basket B has 30 apples. Here 30 apples. Which basket has more apples and by how much? And by how much? First basket A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. First one is 11 apples having. The next basket B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here 13 apples having. We compare two items. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11. Balance 2 apples having, that is no match. So basket B has more apples. Basket B has more 2 apples. Apples in basket A is equal to 11. Apples in basket B is equal to 13. So our difference is 13 minus 11. 13 minus 11. Listen here. Ones and tens. 13 minus 11. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So our difference is 0. Therefore, basket B has 2 more apples. 2 more apples than basket A. The next one. Properties of subtraction. Properties of subtractions. We have two properties having. The first one is zero property. The first one is zero property, and the second one is subtracting a number from itself. Subtracting a number from itself. The first one, zero property. Observe the following. Listen here. Here 5 elements having in the first plate. Then second place is non-used. Non-used. That means nothing. That is 0. 5. The used apples. No one used. So 0. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Thus, when 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer is number itself. The answer is number itself. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. The next one, for example, 18 minus 0 is equal to 18. 25 minus 0 is equal to 25. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. So answer is itself. The next one, subtracting a number from itself. The second part, subtracting a number from itself. Observe the following. Here 7 apples having. Here 7 apples are eaten. So here empty. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 7 apples we are getting 7 apples. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Thus, our definition is when a number is subtracted from itself. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. The difference is always 0. That means 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. 27 minus 27 is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So it is itself. Itself is 0. Listen here. Subtract the following using properties of subtraction. Subtract the following using properties of subtraction. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4 because it is an itself. 4 minus 0 is equal to 0 because it is an itself. The next one, 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. It is an itself property. Then 22 minus 0. It is a 0 property. 22 minus 0 is equal to 22. The next one, dash minus 16 is equal to 0. Dash minus 16 is equal to 0. It is a itself property. 16 minus 16. The itself number 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. The next one, 26 minus 0. 26 minus 0 is equal to 26 because it is a 0 property. 26 minus nothing is equal to 26. Next, 89 minus 0. 89 minus 0 is equal to 89. It is a 0 property. Next one, dash minus 0 is equal to 56. Dash minus 0 is equal to 56. 56 minus 0 is equal to 56. Our answer is 56 because it is a 0 property. Dash minus 0 is equal to 98. 98 minus 0 is equal to 98. 67 minus 67 itself, so it is 0. 98 minus 98, it's also itself. 98 minus 98 is equal to 0. Dash minus 12 is equal to 0. This is itself property. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Dash minus 64 is equal to 0. Dash minus 64 is equal to 0. 64 minus 64 is equal to 0. It is itself. Next, our homework part. My practice then 3. Next, our homework part. partition 3, first Roman E, F, G, H, and the second Roman D, E, F, next practice time 4, C, D, practice time 4, first Roman C, D, next second Roman D, E, F, G, H, I. Listen here, our homework part. My practice time 3, first Roman E, F, G, H, then second Roman D, E, F. My practice time 4, first Roman C, D, then second Roman D, E, F, G, H, I. Thank you to all.